Okay, this is how I got it connected right now, or this is how I got the wiring figured out right now. That's the connector, and on the connector you can see the three bigger pins, and then the smaller ones, and I've identified them as 5 volts, HAHC, ground in the middle, SP and the HB, so 4 Hall sensors. And here's the colors for the wires that match the board. And I had the colors here the same. These colors here match the board as well that connect right up to this. I just sort of used some Molex pins, female pins to match. So I'm connected right now to blue and green, which is blue and green is Hall sensor A and B. And I'm just going to spin the wheel. And there I'm spinning the wheel, and the way this oscilloscope is set up right now is that I'm at 2 volts per division, so we're seeing 5 volts. So we're going 2.5 divisions, which is at 2 volts is 5 volts peak. So it's a square wave. It's like a pulse. These things are going on and off. They're latching on and off as I do it. And I think one of them is a little bit out of phase from the other one. The position of the magnet's in a different place, and that's why they're showing a little bit out of phase in this like a square wave here in the signal. So the faster I go, if I go really fast, the pulse just gets quicker, but they're 5 volts max. So again, just switching on and off just ridiculously fast, and that's it. So that's Hall sensor A and B. So if I go to the other Hall sensor, I'm going to move, and I'm going to go to Hall sensor B and C, which is yellow and green. Yellow and green. I'll move this to yellow. There. So now we're on yellow. Those sensors. Okay, let's go spin it again. And we're seeing the same thing, and we would expect to see the same thing. So on and off, 5 volts on and off. Faster I spin, the faster the pulses. If I stop, that's it. Pulses stop. If I go a little bit at a time, one will go on, go a little bit more, and it'll go off. Whoops, I went too much. There's one other one on, a little bit more, the other one on, and the other one off. So they're alternating as I go, slowly, which is what you see when you watch the pulses anyway, if I go fast. You can see they're just switching on and off. So, I'm getting pulses from all the sensors. So it makes me wonder about that other Hall sensor. Again, there's channel 1 is 2 volts per division. Channel 2 is 2 volts per division. You can see here the division, it's 2.5 divisions, so 5 volts. So, I don't know why this thing isn't working. I'm actually going to get a 4-channel scope, I think, and just put all 3 on there just to see what they look like. Anyway.